Hopefully, water's really high. Well, I guess we'll see how we do with the water high today. Tide's supposed to be low around 11, 12 o'clock, I think, today. So it's around 6 in the morning. Deep bottom boat ramp. And try some big baits out today. Morning. Oh, right.
Good day out on the water.
Oh, I hope so, man. I hope the big ones are biting today. The water's mighty high, though. There he is. There he is. Come on, Mr. Bass. Get in here, buddy. Get in here now. Come on. Get in here, man. Nice one there, yes. Oh, look at that action. Nice, Mr. Bass. All right. All right, you gonna jump around anymore? All right. Man, look at that. He's a nice one. And another on the Ketchum K-Row strikes again. Man, look at him, dude. That's a nice big bass right there. Nice bass. Man, what a beautiful fish. Beautiful bass. Whoop. Bloop. Alright, well. Looks like he's a mighty big, good fish for today. Ooh, got me. Alright, buddy. Get a release on you. Alright, man. Thank you for letting me catch you. Thank you, Lord. There he goes. Back to the depths. Alright, so let's say who believes we should fish with the tide or against the tide? something in the comments. Let me know what you think.